In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the SKU in WooCommerce. If you want cleaner product pages or simply prefer not to show SKU information to customers, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left and click on Appearance. From there, select Customize. This opens the live customizer where you can make visual changes and instantly preview them on your site. Inside the customizer, scroll to the menu and click on Additional CSS. This section allows you to add small bits of custom styling without touching any theme files. You'll see an empty box where you can paste CSS code. To hide the SKU, simply paste the following line of CSS into the box. Products.sku display none. Once you paste it, look at the preview on the right. The SKU should disappear from your product pages immediately. If everything looks good, click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the SKU in WooCommerce with just a small snippet of CSS, helping your product pages look cleaner and more focused for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.